Welcome. If you want to change control settings in League of Legends Wild Rift, at the first you have to go for the settings, next move to the controls, and after that we can, for example, select target priority. I can recommend you to set the low healthy absolute. We can also change the warding aim assistant, we can turn it on or just turn it off. And very important is to use this camera pan sensitivity option. So we can adjust this function for yourself, you know, to get better aim when you are using the skill shots. So yeah, and here we got also a couple of other options like action cancel method, and when you click right here we have also the description of every function, so feel free to adjust whatever you want. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.